Moodle Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this Moodle review. Be sure to check the description below for links to the platform and additional resources. Moodle is one of the most widely used open source learning management systems, LMS, globally, catering to educators, institutions, and businesses seeking a highly customizable platform for online learning and training. Whether you're managing a small course or a massive online learning environment, Moodle's flexibility makes it a standout choice. Moodle's primary strength is its open source nature, which allows for complete customization. Institutions and businesses can tailor the platform to meet their specific needs, from course design to branding. The platform supports multimedia content, quizzes, assignments, forums, and interactive activities, making it suitable for diverse teaching and learning styles. It's also compatible with a wide range of third-party plugins, giving you the ability to enhance features like analytics, integrations, and communication tools. For administrators, Moodle offers extensive user management capabilities. You can create roles, organize students into groups, and assign different permissions to ensure a smooth learning environment. The grading tools are robust, providing detailed feedback options and integrations with gradebooks, making it easy to track and manage learner progress. From a student's perspective, Moodle provides a user-friendly interface with a focus on accessibility. It supports mobile learning through the Moodle app, allowing students to access courses, submit assignments, and participate in discussions from any device. This makes learning more flexible and convenient. For businesses, Moodle is a great solution for corporate training and professional development. It supports advanced features like competency-based learning, certificates, and detailed analytics to track employee progress and performance. Additionally, Moodle integrates with tools like Zoom, Google Workspace, and Microsoft Teams to streamline online collaboration. In conclusion, Moodle is an excellent LMS for those who need a scalable, flexible, and cost-effective solution for online learning. While its open-source nature requires a bit of technical expertise for setup and customization, the result is a powerful and tailored platform. Whether you're an educator, a training manager, or part of a large institution, Moodle offers the tools to create impactful learning experiences. Check the description below to explore Moodle further.